Hey guys, how to create APK file and how to launch APK on the mobile phone, even if you have mistake. Before creating APK file, let's launch it on the emulator. That's okay, our test application is work in emulator and we can create APK file. For this, in top menu, click Build and then Build Bundle or APK and click Build APK. Build running. After that, APK generated successfully and we can click Locate. If you haven't this message, you can click Event Log and click Locate from here. It's our APK file. We need to send it to our mobile phone, maybe in Messenger, maybe in Google Drive. You can choose what you want. After we send our APK file to cloud, we can download it to our mobile phone from cloud. I will save APK file to gallery, save to downloads, and then I enter in File Manager. In any file manager, click Main Storage, click Download, click My Messenger, and it's our file. Click to our APK file. Do you want to install? Yes. App installed, open it, and it's our application. And what to do if you have error when you install your APK file, how to fix it. Go to Google Play Market and find APK installer. Then install APK installer, install, then open, then install APK, allow, and then find our APK file in local APK. It's our file in bottom of list, Codex Coder APK, choose it, and in right bottom corner, click Install APK. And for our security, our phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. Click Settings, click Allow from this source, return, and then you can install your mobile application from Android Studio. Click Install, app installed without errors. Open, and it's our application. Very good. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.